On your right. Good. 열. 오자마자 들이대는 거지? 양반은 못 돼. 뭐야, 왜? 욕하고 있었지. 그런 거 안 좋아. 뭐야 이게?
라이딩 전에 이거 혼내는 거야? Nice to meet you, I'm
Now I can see who you are. You're a bit funny with your. If you travel on a bicycle, people invite you in. If you're in a car and you don't feel, smell, hear, see, I mean, my only shame is my trips to Korea are always too short. Because I have been I haven't been into the mountains. That's what I want to do, is explore Korea and head up to the mountains, see some of the nature, see some of the smaller villages. I've never done that. I've come 5-6 times. It's always so much of a rush.
international marketing.
You're from Singapore? Yeah, Brompton, Asia Pacific Center. There.
Good thing is that you didn't bring the bad weather today.
No.
Last year you did it, right? I still remember your speech on the stage.
Oh, you were. Oh my gosh, no, that's awful. Yes. Are you, so you're also with us tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Let's hope for good weather.
Yeah. 이런 식으로 이쁘게 잘 꾸며놨네, 카페도. 미팅하나 보다. 폭풍이 몰아치고 조용해진 느낌인데? 그러니까. 하나, 둘, 셋. 오케이.
So we will now take picture in 3 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. I'll take 10 seconds pictures. Yes. Thank you, everyone.
Here we are. Nature Holdings, exciting team. Way Edward looking amazing. Dun, 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 dun. Salted cabin. You're riding in Korea.
What's up? On your right.
Good. Still a jet of sleep. I'm just because it's such a short trip. Yeah. So I'm just basically. Hello.
좀더 원을
크게 할까요?
I'm Will, CEO, 22 years with this little bicycle, and my job used to be design, engineering, and trying to develop the product. Really now my job is to look after our staff and our community and make sure that that is number one. Because if we look after our community and our staff, then we will keep changing the world bit by bit. Thank you.
와.
Oh, yes, yes.
감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
That will show your,
Very impressive or very conservative. You don't want to talk. Something like that.
buy so much stuff, they then have to work more to earn money to buy more stuff. Work more to buy more stuff. You know, I need a little bit of riding. It doesn't matter if it's 10 or 15 minutes, but it just helps. And that is, you know, and that is particular. It's not, for me, walking isn't quite the same because I'm too distracted, you know, can be distracted on the phone walking, but cycling is particularly good, I think, for mental health. So I absolutely agree. I need it for myself. Of course. There is, I mean, you know, it is a privilege to work in Brompton, but it is still comes with tremendous challenges. And in some respects worse, because we are very passionate, so sometimes you work too hard because you're so determined to succeed, it can be damaging. So we have to be careful too.
자세히 원하는 자세 있니?
이렇게 하나요?
네, 이런 거 이렇게 네,
아,
뭐 이렇게 이렇게
이거 한 다음에 코리안 아.
아, 네, 웰컴 코리아. 네, 브롬턴. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Okay, another pose.
아, 코리안 아.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1.
여기. Yeah, let's go.